Hey, it's Ben the CoinGeek, and you're probably wondering why you're staring at a box full of old steel pennies. Um, Besides the fact that steel pennies are one of the most beloved coins with some of the most fantastic numismatic lore behind them, and they also have, of course, um, some of the most famous errors linked to them, mainly the 43 copper penny. Uh, what I really want to show the collector today, especially the young collector, is what a processed or reprocessed cent is. Because we see them all the time. It was really popular to do back in the day, um, where they would take a steel penny and they reprocess it or they coat it. And so what you'll see here is the ones that have been reprocessed have this blue look to them, almost like real bright and shiny. See how it reflects the light? So an original steel penny will not have that same color to it. So let's find one here this one's a high grade and in original condition. All right. You see the difference about how this has more of a white look to it and then this has more of a blue look to it? That is the difference between your reprocessed cent and your original cent. You want to have a nice white steely look. Also, you want to see luster, so you'll see how the luster flows around the coin naturally. This gets back to always learning a constant with clean coins. Clean coins don't have luster if they've been polished like this. They just have a reflective field, almost like a mirror. So the luster doesn't really flow anywhere. It just goes off and on, off and on. So anyway, what I want young collectors to know is how to spot the processed cents, the reprocessed cents versus a natural penny. As you look through a group, you'll see a lot of more natural looking ones. And, anything like that, that's a more natural looking coin. And then you'll see other ones in here that are going to be kind of this blue and shiny look, like that one. And the one buried underneath there. So, and that one, and that one. So anyway, when you're at a coin shop, if they've got a bin like this for you to dig through, you can pick out the ones that are actually natural looking, even if they're a little bit toned over or crusty, um, versus the ones that have been reprocessed. All right, I'm Ben the Coin Geek. Thanks for watching. You can follow me here on YouTube and on Instagram at the Coin Geek.